Hello and welcome back to the Swansway Motor Group YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the cost of EV charging. The UK right now seems to be adopting the prospect of EVs, with over 950,000 EVs currently registered on the UK roads. And according to Zap Maps, there are charging stations springing up absolutely everywhere. There's currently over 53,000 to choose from in over 30,000 different locations. And manufacturers appear to be releasing a brand new EV every other month. So there seriously is a lot to think about and a lot to explore. EVs are commonly more cost effective than that of a petrol or diesel vehicle, but that doesn't mean that there aren't some ways you can shave down on how much you pay to keep your car charged up. So what are they? Well, let's run through them. Step 1, take your time. Within the EV world, what you pay for is charging speeds. So if you're not in a hurry, you could save some money. Of course, if you're in a rush and you've got places to be, do opt for the faster charger, something like a 50 kilowatt. But if you've got some time to kill, well, I really recommend opting for the slower 7 kilowatt charger. It does take a couple of hours to charge your car to full, but if you can leave this overnight or charging whilst you're at work, then it could pay dividends. I'd always opt for the slower charger, which is less expensive, over the fast if you can. Step 2 is making sure that you're on the right home charging tariff. Charging at home can be one of the most convenient and cost-effective ways of topping up your vehicle, and it's certainly much cheaper than using public charging stations. So making sure that you're on the right home charging tariff is crucial. There's lots of providers out there which have specific plans for EV owners, and even though the energy rates have gone up, there are still some fantastic plans out there. Though if you can't find one, we recommend installing a smart meter through your provider so that you can track how much it costs to charge your vehicle. Step 3, you need to think about when you are going to charge your car. It's only natural after a long day at work to come back, park your car and simply plug it in straight away, but this could be costing you more money than what's necessary. Instead, you should be utilising the preset function which most EVs now come with, allowing you to select a certain time when you'd like to charge the EV. This, in conjunction with your charging tariff, could mean that you'd be saving money charging in the early hours of the morning rather than peak times. Step 4, plan your route. When charging at home, it's really easy to determine how much it's going to cost to charge your car. But when you're out and about, well, that's a completely different story, because each charger is different with different speeds and different costings. That's where Zap Maps comes in. It's a lifeline for EV owners because you can simply tap into the app and it will tell you the closest charging station, along with how much it will cost, if it's functioning, and what charger you need. And last but not least, you need to think about your driving style. Just like with petrol or diesel vehicles, it is possible to improve the efficiency of an EV. You just need to think about your driving. For example, avoid harsh acceleration and harsh braking. Don't try to maintain high speeds for a long amount of time. And you need to think about what you're using, like heated seats, for example, air conditioning. Do you really need it on? If not, turn it off and this will save the range. So then, I hope this video has given you a better understanding about the cost of EV charging. There's a lot to think about, but it's far more simpler than what you think. For any more information, please head to our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can check out all of our current stock and find out lots more useful tips and tricks. Until then, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.